Oh shit, we got 20 people? What up, yo? Yo, you guys see that? Look at that. Somebody commented on my YouTube and was like, "Yo, somebody was like, what the fuck was that Bitcoin bounce?" So I had to jump on and go live because this shit's crazy, dude. Look at that. Look at that huge ass spike that we just had on Bitcoin. We broke that 2 trillion market cap on freaking total. Look at that. We're gonna close. Look at that. We're probably gonna close a full 4 hour candle on total right now. Look at that. Amazing, dude. Next stop, we're probably headed. If we end up closing around this area in like the next what 2 hours and 40 minutes, we're going to 2.5 trillion market cap, man. Oh, you guys. Uh, I can hear you now. Can you? Oh no, not my internet again. Yo, did I just get clapped? Oh, can anybody hear me? It froze for a sec. Oh man, am I back online or not yet? I can hear you. Oh, okay, cool, awesome. Yeah, I was like, what's going on, man? I just go online and I'm already clapped, dude. You guys see that? You guys see that jump, that spike from Bitcoin? That's insane, man. So insane. I'm trying to kill all my applications on. Oh, is it still pushing? I saw that huge spike on Bitcoin, and I'm like, you know what, man? I gotta get on because this is crazy. Look at that. 46. It's look at that. 46K, man. It looks. That's such a pretty candle. That's such a pretty candle. We hear you. Bad connection. Fuck yeah, I know, dude. I don't know what's going on. Damn, what's going on? No, I'm gonna get clapped. Damn, what is up with my internet? Oh wait. Are we still good or not yet? My internet keeps getting funky, man. I don't know. I'm gonna keep streaming until I mean, if I get like canceled out, cut out again. Damn it, what the hell? Never mind. I want maybe because I need to update my Chrome. Damn, I keep getting clapped, yo. What else is moving? Yeah, Ethereum is pushing. Ethereum is going. Look at that. We're gonna be doing a violent close in 2 hours and 40 minutes on the daily on Ethereum. Damn, yeah, it's my yeah, my thing is getting clapped. Yeah, my internet. I don't know what's going on with my internet, but it's the same thing as that happened last time. We hear you. Yeah, but can you guys like see my screen? I feel like you guys can't see my screen. Bro, need a desktop with an Ethernet connected to the router. You will never lag, dude. I know because I'm using my laptop right now, which sucks, and I'm on Wi-Fi, so everything right now is just connected straight to just on Wi-Fi, which is the problem. And I don't want to switch my internet to my phone. You good? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, if you guys can see me good and you guys can hear me good, then great. Um, fuck it, dude. I'm gonna stay on. If my internet goes out, then well, there's nothing more that I can do. It seems like everything's fine because my trading view is still loading perfectly fine. Like It doesn't seem like we have too many issues. Yeah, that's a huge spike. You know what actually just spiked too? Crow. If you guys hold any Crow, I actually got a notification that Crow ended up spiking pretty. Look at that. See? Crow ended up spiking from 46 to 48. So Crow ended up spiking really, really well. Let me see how my portfolio changed. What happened? I was at 43K or something. We are at 43. Damn, 43.6. We didn't even change. My portfolio didn't even go up. What the heck? Didn't even change all that much. 43, yeah, 43.6. Even after that Bitcoin pump, nothing really happened. Unless I'm getting, oh yeah, yeah, unless I can't like see anything. I mean, my biggest position right now is Crow, but even then, it's loading super slow. Where's my position at? Oh, there it is. 18K. My position's at 18K on Crow. I need Crow to go back to to like $1, dude. That's what I need. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to say that the reason that it's pumping is because, um, these spikes, you get these spikes when you have a huge, huge push to the upside. Um, sometimes these are called, sometimes they might be short squeezed. So maybe a lot of shorts got stopped out. Um, so either you have a bunch of shorts that got squeezed out, or you had one major, major, major player buy a bunch of Bitcoin, which ended up pushing the price up like crazy. So I think that's why. You think GME will reach 200 this week? Yeah, I do actually. I do think GameStop is going to hit. Well, maybe not 200. I think it can probably go to 180. Um, I think 180 is definitely possible for GameStop, and I'm still holding a bunch of calls. So I want tomorrow to happen already. ETC push from what? 45 to 46. Not really that much. ETC didn't really push all that much. Not really. The only one that actually made a huge pump was Bitcoin. It's kind of sitting pretty at 46K. Someone definitely wanted Bitcoin to pump. That's why you see that huge push like that. What's your theory? Will stocks go all time high? I don't know if stocks will go back to all time high, but I think we're gonna start. I think we're gonna keep pushing to the upside. I'm I'm I think I released a video a while back, basically saying that I think that we're gonna recover 100% on the S&P 500, and so far, we're recovering pretty well. So, I mean, if you see any kind of retracement, it's literally gonna be right here. If we see any kind of drop on the S&P 500, it's right here at 452. It's literally it's either we go all the way back down to 416, or you pump all the way back to all-time highs. Personally, I think that my magic number is around here, 458. If we can manage to break 458, I think we're probably going all the way to 470-ish. I think we're probably going to go to like 472. But 458 has got to get broken. And I think once that gets broken, I think you're running all the way up to 473. I'm like 99% sure that happens. As long as this double top gets broken right here, we're going to 470 something. So I'm a I don't want to say that I'm not bullish on SPY, but I'm definitely more bullish right now than anything else. So I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish. But I do think that we're setting ourselves up for a really good recovery. I think after that big trend break, I think you know, I think we're gonna keep running. If I had to be, if I had to have conviction about something, then yes, I'd say that more than likely, stocks recovered, and I'm definitely on the more bullish side than anything else. The only thing I'm waiting for right now is for freaking Ape to start running, because look at that, crazy sell wall at $14, stupid ridiculous. Like this sell wall needs to get broken so it can run up and run back to past $14. Because this sell wall is absolutely ridiculous. At least on the 4 hour close here. I mean, at least the 4 hour close is trading nothing but sideways. I think we're gonna end up pumping back to for ape. We're gonna end up pumping back to possibly like $15. I think we have a really good shot at ape. Maybe going back to all time highs. I definitely think it can hit $26 again for ape. So I'm just kind of waiting it out, man. I'm kind of waiting it out. 69,420 my price target. Bro, 69 is my target with you, dude. You think wheat stocks are gonna pump running this week? Yeah, I think all wheat stocks are gonna keep pushing this week. I have Intel calls last week and they're up 800% since Monday. That's fantastic, dude. INTC is Intel, right? I haven't looked at stocks in a bit. INTC should be Intel. Yeah, Intel. Yeah. Wow, what a pump. What the hell? 44 to 50. Yeah, that's good. Where did Intel close the week? Look at that. Perfect entry was 48 and then again at 47. Perfect. That would have been a really nice entry point for Intel. I don't know if I like Intel, honestly. It's been trading sideways for what? How long is this? Since 2018 it's been trading sideways? You have heavy support there though. You definitely have heavy support at $43. That is some insane support you have on Intel. What I don't like, oh look at that. Actually, yeah, so March in 3 days you're gonna be closing a bullish month. What usually happens here? One, two, three, four. One, two. Yeah, that this looks really good actually. Yeah, I think any time to get into Intel, it's right now. I think Intel's probably going back to. Can we go lower than this? No, we can't. I think Intel's going back to $65. It's going to close a bullish month in 3 days and 23 hours. I think buying maybe a 6 month out call for like $60. I think that's money. I think that's almost guaranteed money on Intel. I think Intel is going to keep running, but not that much. Um, uh, Intel easy double from here. Uh, where is it? Intel double $100. I don't think it'll go to $100. Not soon. When was the last resistance at? 75? I mean, I can probably see it at $75. At $100, that's kind of a lot. I don't know if I would be able to see Intel at, at I don't know if I can see Intel at $100 that soon. Yeah, definitely not soon. Um, I do think Intel's gonna run though. I do think Intel's gonna run pretty hard. But $100, it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen really fast, honestly. Building gigafactories in the US and funded by the government once funding gets passed. I mean, I think Intel's good. I think Intel is really solid for a long-term hold. Um, but I don't think Intel is gonna run up to $100, at least not fast. I think it's gonna keep pushing, but I don't think you'll see $100 Intel maybe for like another year or so, if that. And that's me being kind of conservative, right? Um, so usually 20, 30, yeah, I really doubt it. I really doubt you see $100 Intel within a year, unless they're doing something stupid crazy. I would definitely add Intel to my long-term portfolio because I do like Intel. I know they're going into Bitcoin and mining and a bunch of other crap. But so Intel's a really good. It's a really good boomer company. I like Intel as a safe bet. They've been stable for a very long time. You know, they've basically been growing ever since 2009, right? Very slowly. They've been growing, and I think now they're actually going to start growing a little bit at a faster pace, which I'm actually really okay with. Um, but I don't know. Intel, see, look at that. Even at lows, by September 2029, we can maybe see a minimum of $60 on Intel, which is, I mean, it's a really good gradual raise, but it shows you what kind of company that Intel is, right? Um, Usually when you have really good trends like this for on the monthly, when you have a trend like this on the monthly, it means that a company is relatively stable and it's going to stay in a consistent direction, right? If you have something like a Tesla, right, on the monthly chart like this, it means you're going to see a really, really, really good growth. They have a really good growth system in place. So, if you're looking for that gradual raise, like Intel that's in this monthly trend right now, I can definitely see Intel stay the course of like, doing this for a while, right? Just staying kind of consistently in this median and staying like around this range right here for like the next, whoops, for the next like, 10 years or so. So, I would not be surprised to maybe get like a nice solid return on Intel. But as far as like a big growth company, I mean, I don't think so. I can definitely be wrong because I really like Intel and they're doing a lot of things to change, um, or to try to be considered as big tech. So I think they'll do really well to help chip shortage. Yeah, I mean, if Intel moves into chip shortage, I think they're going to do fantastic, and I think their growth is going to be astronomical. Is GM bullish on a weekly candle? GM. I haven't seen GM in a while. Where is GM? Damn, why did it drop so much? I actually thought it was going to keep running super hard. No, GM actually looks like it's going to keep dropping. Yeah, GM's going to keep dropping. How far? I don't know yet. Yeah, what the hell? Well, how much bad news did they get? This looks like they had really bad news. I can probably see GM at $40 again, maybe in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm not gonna do too much TA on GM because I don't need to. This looks like you're probably gonna drop back to $40, probably lower in the next 2 weeks or so. Yeah, GM doesn't look good. BTC 47K? What the fuck, dude? Are you kidding me? Yo, I'll be honest. I am so fucking over leveraged on Bitcoin right now that it's ridiculous. Did it just hit 47K? High. No, not yet. It hit 46,820. 40, yeah, 46,820 was the high. I wonder what Crow is doing because Crow is matching these pumps. Look at that. It's at 48K. Crow is matching these pumps, play for play. Would not be surprised if Crow runs up to $1 pretty soon because it's matching Bitcoin's run ups almost equally. I wonder where Ape is. Ape, where you at, bro? 1398. This shit does not want to pump yet. I'm waiting for Ape to pump hard. I mean I'm not. I want I want Ape to pump hard. That's I guess that's a better example. I want Crow to pump hard. I think Ape can go to $100. My biggest positions right now are Ape and Crow. I think right now with Crow, my position is around 18, almost 20K. Um, so almost at break even, I think. I think with Crow, my break even is like 50 cents or something. Let me see, where's my position at? 18.2. So my position right now with Crow is 18.2. My position with ApeCoin is around $12,000. Or sorry, 16K. 16.5K right now with ApeCoin. ApeCoin and then Gala and then Polygon. That's basically my only positions now. I actually ended up selling Anchor to go into ApeCoin because I thought it was gonna end up running really hard. But now, Anchor. Let me see where Anchor's at. Anchor's actually one of my favorite coins. Anchor, fucking hell. Anchor's actually pushing pretty hard. I should have left something in Anchor. I shouldn't have YOLO'd into ApeCoin because Anchor might actually keep pushing pretty hard. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Anchor's doing really well right now. I think from here, Anchor can possibly keep pushing up hard. I think it can. Um, Hey Tony, what do you think? We're strong. Also, what's your thoughts on the second layer? I think the second layer is going to stay strong. I think Strong Chain is going to do extremely well. As far as strong right now, it's it's not horrible. I mean, I would definitely want Strong to be at a higher price, but it's just everybody is just selling because think about it this way: if you have a bunch of Strong tokens, you want to use that money to buy different crypto. You want to use your money to buy let's say you're using all of your strong coins to what is it called? To just kind of fund your long-term crypto portfolio. I completely get why price is dropping. Everybody is selling strong so that they can buy more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, more ADA, more whatever, right? They can use it to fund real estate. They can use it to fund other stuff. They can use it to buy a car. It's recurring. It's a recurring revenue for yourself, basically. As of right now, I am at 8.8. I'm at 8.8 strong. I'm at 7 nodes right now. Um, More than likely, I'll have my ninth node by sometime this week. I like Strong. I think Strong's gonna do fantastic long term. I can't wait for Strong Chain to come out. Can't wait for the stronger token to come out. I'm telling you, like I like Strong. The chart might look extremely ugly, um, but it does like soon we might actually end up closing a bullish week. So, last time we did that, we ended up running from lows of, $400 to highs of 740, right? And then before that, we went from lows of around $75 to highs of, 1200. I think that we're probably headed back to 425 sometime in the next couple of months. I think we're probably, somewhere around here. I think we're definitely going to see 425, 420-ish, maybe in the next, I don't know, what are we in January, February, March? Maybe within the next 10 months or so, I definitely think Strong is going to do really well. Um as far as layer 2, I personally don't like it. I don't like layer 2 because there's a decay system, but I understand why they're doing it. Once a decay system is implemented, I think that it'll be a lot easier to have the project be sustainable. And I'm perfectly okay with that. I'm actually very pro gas fees. So as of right now, you guys know that, if you're trying to withdraw or claim strong coins, obviously you have to pay Ethereum gas, and then when you create your node, you have to pay some more Ethereum gas, right? I'm 100% okay with leaving that amount, that high of a gas fee for the strong chain, um, to keep the project sustainable, right? Um, and I know it's a very unpopular opinion. Everybody wants low gas fees, but Strong is one of like the top five Ethereum gas fee users. And if the Ethereum network loses Strong, they're going to lose a massive provider of revenue to the Ethereum network. And if um, we keep the high gas fees on Strong Chain, can you imagine how much money Strong Chain is going to be making off the bat? I think it's going to be ridiculous, and I think it's going to be extremely sustainable. So I am pro high gas fees on the Strong Chain network when it comes out. And I know it's a very unpopular opinion, but I think it'll really make the project very sustainable. I hope that answers your question, Nirav. I hope I'm saying your name right, man. Sorry. What do you think of Cardano? Been hearing a lot of news. I think Cardano's great. I think you can consider Cardano as a top. Give me a second, guys. I gotta drink some water. Uh, um, what was I don't even know what I was talking about. Whew. Um, Man, yeah, I think ADA is can definitely be considered um a blue chip crypto. I mean, I can leave $100,000 in ADA, and I never have to worry about it for 10 years. That's the kind of crypto that I consider ADA. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere in the next 10 years. I think ADA, I think Atom, I think Crow, Binance, obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think all of those coins are going to be here in 10 years, right? So Cardano is definitely going to be there. It's like Tether, right? It's like XRP. It's not going anywhere. I think Cardano is definitely a blue chip stock or a blue chip crypto, right? It's good. It's a really good all around crypto, and I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Can it keep growing? 100%. I think ADA's going back to $3, right? Regardless what anybody says, that's what I think. I think ADA's going back to $3. But yeah, I consider it a blue chip crypto. How are your strong nodes doing? Pretty well. My strong nodes, I just showed you guys, but my strong nodes are at 7. I'm at 7 nodes and I'm at 8.8 strong, so I will be making another node um sometime this week. So this week I will be making my eighth node, which I'm pretty happy about. And then 40 Jesus, 46.5. Damn, my BitF position is gonna be fucking mooning tomorrow. Oh man, I bought so many fucking calls on Bitfarms on Friday. I think I bought it for November or something. Yeah, I bought BITF. I have shares. I think I have close to 6,000 shares of BITF. I'm gonna keep buying shares. More than likely, BITF is gonna be somewhere close to 450 tomorrow at open. Bitcoin running up is more confirmation that GameStop is probably gonna keep running this week. But yeah, I think calls on BitF or any really um, Bitcoin miner is gonna do really well. Riot again, I love Riot. It was the original Bitcoin miner before the market got saturated with all these like Bitcoin miners and stuff. I actually think Riot will do pretty well, and I think it's underperforming the market right now. So compared to everything else, um, I really do think that Riot has a long way to go, and it can definitely go back to what was the high of like $80. Um, I think it's underperforming the market. I think Riot is definitely stagnating a bit, and I think it's going to catch up because it's doing extremely slow, right? It's been extremely slow, and I think that Riot eventually is going to catch up. But if I had to pick one miner, one Bitcoin miner stock to go with, I would 100% go with BITF. I think it's the most undervalued um, Bitcoin miner in the stock market. And I think it could go to like 35, $40, to be completely honest with you guys. I think it can really shoot up hard. Let me see. Where's Crow at? I know Crow probably did another jump on this. Look at that. Yeah. Crow's hitting brand new high. Crow's definitely going to 51 cents. Guaranteed. Crow's going to 51 cents. Where's Ape at? Ape. Oh yeah, Ape, look at that. Ape back at 14 bucks. It's pushing. Ape is doing pretty well. My second biggest position right now is ApeCoin. I have like almost, I think like $16,000 in ApeCoin. So I want ApeCoin to run hard by a lot. I do have a 3L on ADA. So ADA's pushing too. ADA's at 116. I have a 3L on ADA. I think ADA's gonna go back to $3. If you guys are wondering, ADA 3L, you can buy it on KuCoin if anybody's interested. Obviously, it's a leverage position, so always be careful with this. But you know, yeah, I think the possibility of ADA going back to my target right now for ADA is actually 14 cents. So I think ADA 3L from here at 2 cents can probably do a 7x up here. I think if we do hit $3 again, more than likely, I think ADA is probably going to go back to here for um, for a $3. So yeah, I definitely think it can run up extremely hard. There's a lot of resistance around this level, around 7 cents. I think if we do run up to 7 cents, I'll probably take out like half my position and put it somewhere else. But I do think that ADA 3L can possibly go back to 14 cents and do a 7x from here. But again, it is a leverage position, is extremely volatile, it's extremely risky. So be very careful when you're running up on 3Ls, right? Be very careful. What about GameStop? GameStop, fucking fucking GameStop, dude. GameStop has been on an absolute murder ride. I don't know, man. I'm telling you, I feel like GameStop tomorrow. I feel like GameStop can open at 188. I have this gut feeling that GameStop is going to open somewhere around this area right here. And I think it's going to be insane. I don't know. Oh, shit, bro. Thank you. Thank you to Narav for The super chat, bro. Always appreciate the love. um, yeah, man. Thank you. Uh, I never know how to respond to the super chats, man. But I always love it. I'll be able to buy. I'll be able to like feed my family for the next week because of you, bro. I'm looking to buy my first node. How much is it now? I think one node will probably cost you $1,100, or to be more precise, maybe like 1,200 bucks. Because price right now is sitting at 117 or 116 for strong. So I do think that it should be around 1,200 bucks. Strong 117. Yeah, it should probably be you should probably buy around $1,200 just to have some fees. Some transfer fees, right? To get your strong ready for transfer fees. But yeah, it's gonna be around $1,200 for your first node. Bitcoin 46. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing really well. Where's Ethereum? I want to see where Ethereum's at. Ethereum 3288. Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful candle. Look at that. It's gonna close a full daily candle above 3147. Where's the total at? I can guarantee you total is absolutely fucking mooning right now. Yeah, yeah, that's gonna be a really nice close. Yeah, you have a lot of resistance here though. A lot of resistance here for the total market cap. What about alts? Alts are doing pretty well. You're gonna have a lot of resistance in 796 and you have major trend there. So you're gonna have a lot of resistance on alts coming up. But I'll tell you this right now, but if you manage if you manage to break this major trend on total three, all alts can possibly do something stupid. I guarantee you that right now. I think alts can possibly just do something really stupid from here. I think we're gonna have one of the biggest alt seasons that we've ever had since the beginning of crypto. From here, you can possibly see alts move another 60% to the upside on average. I think that you know, I think that we're gonna see something really stupid happen in the coming months because we're about to close a bullish month for a lot of these things. And once we close that bullish month, look at Bitcoin, right? Look at total. Look at Bitcoin right now. Look at Bitcoin. March, April. Yeah, I think April has a really, really good shot at closing the month bullish. And once it closes the month bullish, I think we're going on an app to like 188, 200 bucks this week. Hey Tony, can you do a Funko TA? Funk? Oh, dude, that's a name that I haven't heard in a while. Man, I have not looked at Funko in years. Not looked at Funko in years. Well, look at that. I think Funko's gonna rally again. Funko is probably gonna push hard to 27 bucks again. It's gonna be closing a month bullish sometime in the next, maybe this month, next month. It's kind of steady. Yeah, I mean, I would not go into Funko yet. I would only go into Funko after you actually close the month bullish. Um, but you haven't been able to break this, what, $16.15 support right here? I guess I had this support here. Can it go lower? Possibly like here. Yep, you have really good support at 14.24 as well. But yeah, I think right now Funko's a solid pickup. I think more than likely, I think there's two. I think my target, if I had to pick right now on Funko, I would more than likely say I got two targets right now. Target one is going to be somewhere here. Target two, for sure, is going to be somewhere around this area right there. I got to move this out of the way. Um, Whoops. Yeah, I think Funko could do really well. So from where you are now, you can either see a 50% gain or longer term, maybe like a 150% gain. Um, yeah, I'm definitely bullish on Funko. I mean, just looking at the forecast, right? How much money? How much did we want? Did we run last time? We ran from what here? Highs of what? You ran $21. So in 336, 2138. Yeah, look at that. It's closer to the top range of this. So yeah, I would definitely say that I'm bullish on Funko hitting somewhere around this area in the next what 334 days or so. So maybe this one's a little bit too high, but yeah, I'm definitely bullish on Funko in the next year to hit somewhere around this area. As long as we close a bullish month, which I think is going to happen in April or so. But Funko is looking extremely, extremely good. XRP will lead. Oh, flares here. Has XRP always led though? 80. Oh, dude, XRP's at 85. Nice. Wow, that's a nice candle up. I know Flare, I know you're making a shit ton of money off this right now. You better be. Shout out to Flare from the chat. He's one of the bigger whales on the Patreon. Everybody go steal. Everybody go find out who. Everybody go dox Flair. Find out who he is, and because Flair's a big ass whale. Yo, dude, I think we're probably gonna see like a 95 XRP sometime soon because that's where major trend is right now. Flair. Yeah, we got a nice. We have a really really nice major trend on on XRP. That's weird. Why did I set my thing there? Major resistance is right there, so we should have major trend. Yeah, same thing, like 95. Yeah, peak to peak. We're probably gonna see a 95 somewhere touching the 50 MA on XRP. Monthly is, dude, the monthly looks like it's gonna close bullish pretty soon on XRP, but it doesn't really historically it doesn't really have like good movement on the monthly close. Yeah, I wouldn't trust the monthly close on XRP. It doesn't really it doesn't really do anything. I'd say more than likely after you see these trend breaks, that's when it really moves hard. So that one, it already broke that trend. Can we make another one here? Another trend. I think I'm pushing it now. No, I think XRP is probably once on 95 bucks. Yeah, XRP is doing really well. 46, 6. Yeah, it's dude, yeah, Bitcoin's pushing. Look at that. It closed the hour bullish. It just closed the hour bullish and it started pushing. Where are we on the weekly though? We still have 2 more hours. 2 more hours for us to actually close. Um, for us to actually close this bullish on the week. That's insane, dude. That's insane. And this is what? When did I release that video? The oh yeah, I'm calling the bottom. Look at that. It just broke these highs. We're going to I guarantee you, guaranteed we're going to 52K in the next couple of weeks. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I guarantee you that we're going to $52,000 Bitcoin. Guarantee you. Guarantee you. Guarantee you. Good Sunday, Tony. Yo, dude, what up, bro? Haven't seen you in a while, man. Tony, have you checked Strong Note? Just asking. I'm late to the live. Yeah, dude. Strong is at 117, I think. I think I was talking about Strong layer one and layer two. Um, really quick. I said that personally, I want when we transition over to Strong Chain, I want to keep the higher gas fees. Um, because I want to keep that revenue stream open for Strong for the Strong team. I think it'll make the what is it called? I think it'll make the strong project stable, and I think it'll open up a lot of doors with all the money coming in from from all of the consistent gas fees that people have to pay monthly. So yeah, I think it's gonna be insane, man. I think Strong is gonna do really well. Once the transition to Stronger happens, I think that's gonna do really well as well. But I'm just stacking. All I'm doing right now is just I'm compounding right now. I'm at my seventh I'm at my seventh node right now and 8.8 strong for rewards. So more than likely, I'm gonna build out my eighth node sometime this week, and then I'll update you guys when I actually create it. But yeah, Strong's doing really well. I think Strong. I think for the most part, I think it's gonna be really well. Hey Tony, for Patreon members, can you tell us when you buy or sell things the moment you do so we can be informed on decisions and doing the same? Definitely not. I'm not a signal service. I've said this plenty of times. If you want to know when I buy or sell, you probably have a better chance on the chat. You can, I mean, if you're not already part of the chat. But no, I mean, I'm not a signal service, right? I'm not gonna tell you guys when I buy something, when I sell something, because I change my mind a lot, right? I'll put, like I said, I'll my original position on Ape was like 7K. Now my position in Ape coin is like $16,000, right? I'm not gonna share what I buy and what I sell all the time because I don't want you guys doing the same thing. I'm a lot more risk heavy. I think I have a little bit more liquid that I can spend. Whereas a lot of the Patreon members, a lot of people might not be as flexible as I am with money. So that's probably never gonna happen. I'm never gonna. That's why I'm teaching. That's why I taught you guys how to trade, right? You guys have access to the indicators that I custom made for the last couple of years that I've been using. That took a long time to create, right? To perfect. Divergence. That took me years, man. That took me such a long time to perfect divergence. I'm not gonna I'm not a signal service man. So, I don't mean to sound like a dick or anything because I'm not trying to be mean or rude or something. It's just, yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys when I buy or sell. It's not my thing. Tony making Sunday great again. I went online because I just saw that Bitcoin pop and I'm like, holy shit, dude. I think it's gonna go insane. Tony flip flops. Fucking flare. Um, yes, I do a lot. And I change my mind like every other day. And if you guys are part of the chat, man, I'll like switch my position every fucking time, dude. Like I'll buy Ethereum like for like an hour, and then I'm like, fuck no, that doesn't make any sense. And then I'll switch all my Ethereum to like Anchor, and then I'm like, fuck, you know what? Never mind, that doesn't make any sense. And then I'll switch it back to Ethereum, and then I'll switch it back to ADA. I'll probably do like 4 or 5 different transactions in one day until I figure out where to actually put my money. That's me being completely honest. I do that a lot. I do that a lot. How is the running workout outside performing? Better TA? I actually, you know what? The only reason I hate running outside is because I can't make videos outside. Because I run outside at like fucking 4 or 5 in the morning. So, so it's one of the main reasons why I hate running outside because I can't make videos. And if I'm in my garage and I'm in my on my treadmill and we have our own all the little like workout setup and everything, a little gym and stuff. Um, I can basically run for 10, 20 minutes, take a 10-minute break, make a couple videos, and get back to it. And I can't do that outside. Because I feel weird talking to my phone, like in the fucking neighborhood and shit. So it's weird. Bro, sometimes I'd be in the Telegram and Tony talking about BTC dumping. Then I see a video from that more saying BTC was gonna pump from that morning saying BTC was gonna pump. Yeah. I mean, if you want conviction, look at the videos that actually what is it called? If you want conviction from me, look at the YouTube videos. I'll only post something on YouTube if I'm like 100% like going in that direction. But on the no, I know, dude. I know. But in the chat, I tend to look at the smaller time frames a lot. Like I'll look at the 1 hour, 30 minute, 5 minute. So like I'll be like, fuck, we're gonna dump, or fuck, we're gonna run up, or fuck, we're gonna trade sideways. But in reality, you should really only be looking at the daily or the weekly to actually get these big moves to the upside. Um, but the chat's fun, man. I'm telling you, man, if I didn't have the chat with you guys, my life would not be as fun. 100%. Would not be anywhere near as enjoyable as it is now. Where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin, let's see if it actually drops. Where are we at on momentum? More than likely the 15-minute. There we go. I mean, if we close this 15-minute and we actually push down, we'll probably see 4,600, 46,000 again. But I don't know. I think we're at a good spot. That big pump to the upside, it shows you what direction, um, it shows you what direction you actually, Bitcoin actually wants to go to. But I mean, as of right now, strong looks, strong looks pretty. I mean, it doesn't look good. I'll be honest. It doesn't look that good. I mean, what are we really gonna do, right? I mean, you can kind of consider this a new higher low or a lower high. Sorry, but yeah, Crow's gonna stay around this level for a little. I mean, strong. Sorry, you'll probably see it at that low for a while. 48, 48. That's good. There's ape at. I just want ape to run, man. I want ape to run so bad. Where's the hour? Ape. Man, it does. Ape does not want to break that $14. Man, it does not want to break 14 bucks at all, at all. But I'm loving these candles. I'm loving this movement to the upside. So I gotta, I think it'll probably keep pushing. I think if we do run, right, you do see this channel right here, and it's a pretty good example of where it can actually push. So as of right now, I don't know. I think it could definitely keep pushing to the upside, right? Like you have this really sweet channel right here on 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 8 point right now, which I think can definitely keep running to the upside. Now we'll do the 4 hour because it's a little bit more clear. Fuck, how do people? I don't get how like live streamers do this on a daily basis. I'm about to lose my voice over here. Um, I don't know, man. Target looks really good right here. I think Target right now. What's a nice target here? Yeah, I think Target is somewhere between 1750 and like 18 bucks. I don't know, dude. It looks really good right now. I don't want your trading conviction. I want your conviction in me. We'll keep that for the chat. Actually, not Linda. Where's Tyler at? If my wife saw how we talk in the chat, she'd probably be super entertained for like the longest time. Strong 1 hour trend. Is it? Where's strong at? Oh shit. Strong's doing pretty okay. Strong's got some. I mean, Strong has some nice movement right now. That's a nice little candle you have there. Look at that. 118. It's pushing. It's doing really well. Is it gonna keep running? Who knows? Who knows? I don't know if I would call this the bottom yet. It can definitely keep pushing down extremely hard. Um, Ideally though, obviously I want it back at like 700 fucking dollars because at 700 bucks, I'd probably make something stupid. How much would I make? 30, what is it? 30 times 700? I'd be making $21,000 a month if Strong was at 700 bucks. 21 grand, fucking insane. Going long on mana. I actually have a 3L open. I have a 3L open on mana right now. Thoughts on H bar? I think H bar is overrated. Personally, I don't like it all that much. I know a lot of people on TikTok like who likes H bar? Fucking what's his name? Crypto Weatherman from TikTok. He loves H bar, right? I think Crypto Weatherman loves H bar. I personally don't. I don't think H bar is gonna do all that well, but whatever. I don't really care too much about H bar. I don't think it's like the best thing in the world, like everybody says. Like I don't know. I would probably hold it. I mean, I'd probably buy a little bit and just kind of hold it for a little bit, but I don't know. I don't like H bar all that much. I don't think it's. I think H bar is more of like a Cardano where it's meant to be pretty stable. I would probably buy it now because if we do have an altcoin season, this will probably go back to all time highs. Maybe I'd say probably closer to like 44, but I mean your money's probably better spent elsewhere. I don't know. I don't like H bar all that much. I don't think it's all that cool. Mana, on the other hand, I think Mana is going to do extremely well. I actually do agree with Flair. I actually think Mana is going to do really. Even though I don't like, I don't like metaverse stuff, right? At least not right now. I think it's all complete shit, right? I think all metaverse coins are complete ass. Um, Mana, look at that. Perfect entry Mana was last week 2.36. You would have probably ended up getting into Mana at 3.3 though. So somewhere around that range, you would have probably evened out like at 2.8. So entry would have been right here if you got it in on the weekly, but it does look like it broke trend, and it does look like it's going to keep pushing. I think Mana is headed to 3.8, probably where it's going to go. Um, but yeah, metaverse stuff, not really my thing, honestly. I don't like metaverse all that much. I don't think the metaverse can do all that well, at least not now. Super shitty. I'm just waiting to see what happens with Ape if their metaverse is actually going to do something. Um, but I think as far as fundamentals and where the project is, I would keep it an 8 for right now. The only other one that I really, really, really like is Anchor. I think Anchor is an amazing coin. Um, I think it's a front leader in Web 3.0, and I think it can definitely run extremely hard because what's its market cap of Anchor is 700 million, right? It doesn't even have a 7 billion. It doesn't even have $1 billion market cap. I mean, the last time it had $1 billion market cap was like here last year. I don't know. I personally think that Anchor is extremely undervalued, and it should probably be under. Um, I think it should be valued something like a $7 billion. That's where I think Anchor should be. Is it going to get there? Who knows? But I think it's extremely undervalued. And trend, yeah, bro. I mean, it broke trend a while ago. It's done extremely well. I mean, you could have picked it up at. You could have probably made a 50% gain on it right now, which I did. But I mean, it doesn't really matter because my entry is more. My entry on Anchor is like 9 cents. So I mean, it doesn't really matter where it is right now. I'm still at break even ish. Where's Bitcoin again? Bitcoin 46.5. Where's a Nas 100? Where did it open? We know where it opened. It's pumping, dude. It's gonna keep pumping long the fuck out of big tech. It's yeah. It's I think Nas 100 is gonna keep running to the upside. It looks like it's gonna keep pushing. Look at that. See, you broke. Look, right? Because look what happened. Right, you broke out, retested. You're probably gonna go somewhere here. You're probably gonna end up at a 15,152 Nas 100. You can probably half expect that. I mean, look at these run ups, right? Look at these run ups. How much is this? From here to highs of what? Highs of there. Yeah, this bad boy. Highs of what? 302. Highs of what? 408. So what? Somewhere like right here. We'll do this. On average, you're running what? 450, 300, 408. We'll do 400 to keep it at an even split. But even at these right here, well, it was what? 8 hours, 9 hours, 20 hours. We'll do 20 hours to make it long. But $400. Look at that. Is that not too much of a coincidence? How is this a coincidence, right? Look at that. What did I always tell you guys? There's no coincidences in the market. Look at that. If we close the 4 hour bullish, right, at a 400, at a 400 gain, which is essentially every single run that we've had from here to here, here to here, here to here, every leg up has been roughly, 300 to $450. If we do an average, right, you end up at 15,152, which is previous resistance. There's no coincidences in the market. And this is exactly why. Look at how close you are to target. Look at how close you are to major resistance. Yo, I'm late, but have you mentioned Jim? Yo, dude, thank you. Yeah, we actually talked about GameStop a couple of minutes ago. Uh my what I basically said was I think that this week it's probably gonna run to 180, 200. That's what I think. So I think it can definitely go to $200 sometime this week. So I think it's gonna do really well, man. I'm holding a shit ton of fucking calls on GameStop, so I'm hoping that it keeps running. Do you think I can get a strong note at a cheaper price in the next 3 months for $800, 700? Um, personally, I think $100 is gonna be the bottom of strong. I don't think it's gonna go any lower than that. I've been wrong before. Um, Would I hold out? I don't think so. I think if you have, let's say, an extra, let's say you have like 2 grand right now, right? I'd probably buy one note right now and save the other cash in case it goes down to 800, 700 for the note, right? I like diversifying, so I don't like jumping in on one thing like right away. If you have the money to spend and you're kind of in the middle of it, I say, buy one right now and then buy one a little bit later. I think that's a really good way to do it. Bro, I have to stop proofreading my shit. I talk in broken English. Fucking Tyler, dude. Tyler, how are you talking in broken English, bro? Your name's fucking Tyler. I'm assuming you're white, dude. Any thoughts on Atom and the ecosystem? I think Atom's great. I think Atom is one of the better cryptos. I think they're going to be here for the next 10 years. I think their APY is fantastic. I think their network is fantastic. I think their chain is fantastic. Um, I would put Atom up there with probably the likes of XRP or Ethereum or Doggy or whatever, right? Um, but yeah, I think Atom's fantastic or Cardano. I like HBAR. I need to build a position again. HBAR is cool. I don't mind if I don't own any HBAR. I don't really care too much about it. How about LRC? LRC's been looking really well. I think as long as I think one of the big reasons that it actually pumped was due to the whole GameStop news. Um, and I think it's going to keep pumping. I think GameStop looks really well, and I think LRC is going to do really well as well. Um, it just closed the week bullish, a couple of back here. So entry would have been at 72 cents. You would have been probably at a full 50% gain right now on LRC. But yeah, I think LRC will do fantastic, especially if GameStop rallies this week to new highs. I think LRC will probably push to like 150, possibly like maybe $2 or so. It depends on if GameStop actually pushes to the upside, but it's doing really well. I think LRC is great. I think I would not mind holding a nice big position on LRC. Where is Ape? Ape is at 14.1. Oh fuck yes, dude. Ape finally hitting some nice highs right there. Jesus. Took a while. Well, not even a while. It's been a couple of days. I don't even know what I'm saying a while. Crow's at 48, doing extremely well. Yeah, everything's looking really good right now. Everything's looking really, really good. I bought 10 strong nodes around 32,000, and my brother bought 10 strong nodes for 14K. It's just how it is, bro. Just how it is. I mean, there's people who bought 100 strong nodes when strong was at $1,000. How do you think they feel? Right? So I mean, it's just if you wanna be perfect at timing things, learn how to be like an insanely good TA trader, right? So you can always time the bottom, but there's a very small chance that you're going to be able to time things perfectly. I wouldn't worry about it. Personally, I think that strong is going to do extremely well long term. And again, this is for me like a long term play, right? I think strong is going to do really well. I'm going to be holding this shit for a while, right? A year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. If strong is still here in 10 years, I'm going to have 100 nodes. I guarantee you by then. Guaranteed, guaranteed. Um, but it's something that I'm in it for the long term, right? So I think it'll do really well. But try not to feel bad. I mean, it sucks that you spend 32K on notes. Obviously, it sucks, and hopefully, we're all hoping that it goes back to $700, which I think it can. I think my target for right now would be closer to 425 for strong in the next maybe couple of months. Um, but uh, yeah, dude, I think strong is good. I don't think you have to worry too much. I might as fuck. I just meant I typed bad. I love Flair, bro. We all love Flair. I want I want to do some dirty fucking things to Flair, but he's all the way in Washington. BTC wants to break 46.7 so bad. I think AMC update. I think it's gonna go up as long as GameStop goes up. It's gonna go up. Yo, Sean. Yo, what up, Sean? What up, dude? I'll be happy with even 2 years. I think you're underestimating the project. I think Strong, after they move to Strong Chain, I think Strong is going to be here for minimum another 5 years, if not 10 or more. I really think Strong has a really good team, pushing it forward, and I think it's going to keep that. I think it's going to keep that movement. So again, I would not be surprised if Strong is still here, 10 years from now. Damn, Bitcoin is still going up. Did it pass 47? Not yet. 46,680. It's gonna break it, dude. I'm telling you right now. I'm Bitcoin is going to 48K. It already broke the magic numbers. It already broke the relative high. There's no doubt in my mind that Bitcoin's gonna go to 48K. No doubt. The only real resistance that you had was the three magic numbers, right? Which is basically what I call the relative highs. First relative high, second relative high, third relative high. You already broke everything. There's no more resistance. No more resistance until you hit that 200 MA, which is basically 48.1. You have no more resistance left whatsoever. You got nothing. We're going. I'm 99% sure we're going to 48.1, and I'm even more positive that we're going to 52K. I have even more of a conviction that 48K isn't even going to stop it. I think we're going straight to 52K. I think we're gonna keep pushing, possibly come back down to 48, maybe, and then push to the upside. Because I think we're gonna bounce off this 200 MA. So what I think is gonna happen, I think we're gonna keep moving hard to here. We're probably gonna come back down and test this resistance at 48 plus the 200 MA, and then from here we're gonna keep pushing up. I'm like almost positive we're gonna do that. If we don't do that, then whatever. But I'm more sure that 52K is going to happen than 48. Just like that. I'm more positive that we're going to hit 52K over 48K, if that makes any sense to you guys. What are your thoughts about AMC closing above 20 for a gamma squeeze? So, I don't know that AMC was pushed up for a gamma squeeze. But I do know that GameStop above 150, I think it had a notional of 140, 150, 160. So I do think that GameStop is set up for a gamma squeeze on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know if AMC is set up for a squeeze, but I do think that AMC can give a higher multiple as far as it running. Um, I think that AMC can possibly run from where it's at now to 40, $60. And, it's one of those things where I'm like, I don't really like AMC at all. but you don't have a lot of resistance on AMC right now. I mean, let me see. I gotta remove everything. Probably gotta do this crap all over again. I have the AC on at home, so I have like a lot of. Let me see here, probably there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I think. I mean, you don't have a lot of resistance in a lot of places. Um, I think for sure we're gonna see $26 this week on AMC. For sure. I'm like pretty positive. If you buy calls for 26 weekly for like the weekly for 26, 27 bucks, I'm like 99% sure it's gonna hit this week. Um, I mean, I don't know about the gamma squeeze. I just know that if GameStop goes up, AMC is gonna go up. I would not be surprised to see AMC, push up to like the 40, $60 level this week if GameStop hits something stupid like 200 bucks. Laugh a lot. Wife heard that. I believe she's confused now. Don't, I'm happy your wife heard that, not mine. It says, yeah, AMC closed with 70,000 in the money options on Friday. It was a good day. Yeah, that's really good. Um, I know that 70,000 in the money options. That's what? What's 70,000 times 100? 70,000 times 100, is that 7 million? Sorry, I'm gonna do some quick maths on my phone. 70,000 times 100. 7 million shares. Fucking hell. 7 million times what? 20? Oh, that's not. It's 140 million volume on AMC. So you can probably run up really hard, honestly. I think GameStop expired with $420 million worth of shares in the money. I think it was something stupid like 2.8 million shares of GameStop, and it was um 2.8 million? Yeah, I think so. I think it was 2.8 million shares of GameStop from the options. And then 2.8 times the 150 is like something like 420 million. So I think that volume is going to come into GameStop Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, somewhere between, maybe split, maybe all together. But I think we see 420 million going into GameStop between Monday and Wednesday. Um, and for AMC, you'll probably see like a notional value of like 120 million. So what, oh no, sorry, 140 million. So whatever 7.1 million is times 20, that's probably the volume that you're gonna see between Monday to Wednesday on AMC. So we'll do some quick math here. Times 20 equals, yeah, you'll see AMC is gonna see somewhere like 142 million volume go into it between Monday and Wednesday. So that's gonna be pretty fun. This whole week's gonna be fun. I actually have I think um two contracts of AMC. And it already returned 100%, so I'm basically writing it out on free money, which I'm pretty happy about. 46,853. Damn, look at that. Jesus, look at that big ass candle. Anybody holding crypto mining stocks is gonna be so fucking happy on Monday, man. I'm gonna be so fucking happy tomorrow. BitF is gonna be like, I don't know. I think BitF's going to like 450 tomorrow, which is gonna be beautiful. And I'm gonna be just buying everything. I'm gonna buy so much BitF tomorrow again. I think altogether, look at that. You're about to break 47,000 on Bitcoin. 47,000 on the weekly. What? We're closing the week in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Look at that. Where are we at? We're at 46,579. No, 46,950 at the high. 46,950 at the high. We're gonna break 47K. Like that shit does not want to stop. I definitely think that Crow is matching it. Crow, look at that. Crow wants to break 49. Crow, so close to 51. Crow's high is 48.5. Where's ETH? Ethereum pushing to 32.83. It did a high of 32.98. So not 33 yet. Ape. Where's my ape position at? This thing better be mooning right now. Fucking hell, dude. Ape is just fucking doing nothing right now. Where's ADA at? ADA still pushing. ADA 117. Did it just be relative highs? No, relative highs up here. It almost beat out relative high. Look at that. Fucking beautiful, dude. Where's that? ADA is at, what's the high here? 1.19. Where's my alerts? ADA, 1 point. We'll set up an alert for ADA because actually want to know when it crosses 1.19. ADA, where's Anchor at? Anchor USD. Anchor's pushing too. Anchor's pushing. Anchor wants to go back to 9 cents. Look at that. Anchor wants to move. Mana. Yeah, everything looks like it's running. Look at that. Mana, look at that. Jesus. Mana's gonna do really well. Flair, if you're not 3Ling this shit right now, you better fucking do that really fast. As soon as that relative high gets broken, yeah, we're going to $3. Mana's going to $3 for sure. Fucking hell. Jesus. Talk about a ridiculous move to the upside. Wow. And then you have Strong. We're Strong at? Strong pushing 119. It's doing okay. It's Strong is doing the best that it can do. That's all we can say. Strong is doing the best that it can do. I got 12 bid farm calls. I got 10, dude. I have 10 bid farm calls for November for I think it was like a seven and a half expiry, $7 and a half expiry. I think bid farms can get to like $40, bro. I'll be completely honest with you. I think bid farms can go to to like $40. 30 between 30 and $40. I think it can get there. Gala should be moving too. Yeah, Gala's moving pretty okay. It's not moving a lot, but it's moving. It's doing really well. Gala's pushing pretty hard. Yeah, I think it's. I mean, it already broke trend. I really doubt that Gala stays anywhere around this area. To be honest, I doubt it. I doubt Gala stays anywhere around here. Gala is probably going to go back to 76. I think it's going back to all-time highs. First step is breaking 33. But yeah, Gala looks good. I have a bunch of Gala right now. Here's my portfolio where it stands right here. Let's refresh it really quick. I am probably gonna log off because I already feel my voice going away. 44.4. Yeah. So far so good. I definitely want Crow to go back to like $1. I want Ape to be at $100, please. Then I'd be extremely happy. But yeah, everything's pushing really hard. Everything's doing really well. This move was extremely important for Bitcoin, and it's gonna. Oh, where's the monthly at? Monthly, yeah, the monthly looks really solid. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Everything is looking extremely well. Right now, my target for Bitcoin is gonna be somewhere between, here it is, like 93K. My target on Bitcoin right now is between like 72K and 93K, somewhere around this area right here. So it's gonna be it's pretty awesome. Nice. I got 2024 calls. Ah, dude, 2024 calls are gonna make you extremely happy, I think. I think you did really well because at least that way you don't have to worry. At least that way all you're doing is just kind of waiting it out, which is really good. I have some bit F. I have calls Monday, Monday. Me too, man. I have a bunch of calls for bit F, bunch of calls for GME, bunch of calls for, well, not bunch. I have like two calls for AMC, nothing too bad. I have a 200 GME call. How far do you think GME will go? How far up it will go? I'm 100% positive that GameStop is going to go to 290 eventually because there's a gap there. How far is it going to go up this week? I think it's going to hit somewhere between the range of 180 and $200. That's where I think this week it can possibly go to, between 180 and $200. Unless it actually does gamma squeeze. If GameStop gamma squeezes, I think it's going to $300. If it actually does gamma squeeze, I think $300 is on the table. Marcos, dude, you have $5,000 worth of bid farm calls? That's fucking ridiculous, dude. You're making me want to like FOMO into bid farm tomorrow at open. um, you know what you guys should do? You guys should you everybody on this chat should make like a everybody on this chat should make a what's it called? A competition of who can give me the most super chat. Go. I'll start the bidding off $100. Who's gonna give me my first $100 super chat? Come on, Flair. I know you made a shit ton of money today. Well, I think damn 117. I think I might log off because 46.7, there it is. There's that beautiful number that we were looking for. Highs 46, 46,950 for almost at 47,000. So amazing, dude. So amazing. So amazing to see it run up like that. And then you still have fucking Acorn just kind of hanging out. I swear, I should get all of my Acorn and just fucking transfer to Anchor. That's what I probably should be doing. But I'll leave it there. I think it can do really well. I think Acorn can do really well. Doggy Coin is at 14. Shiba, how's Shiba doing? She she popped a little bit, but it's still really low. I mean, Shiba. I think Shiba will probably do really well, but I mean, what's the multiple here though? I think the multiple here is like a 3x, which I definitely think that it can go back up to here, 255. So you're looking at a 2x on Shiba, which I think I could probably do again, maybe. Yeah, everything's doing pretty okay. Everything's running up pretty okay. 15 minutes is bearish. We're looking at the five. Let's look at the five. We're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna hit. Watch. We're gonna break $47,000 right now. I'm almost positive. Give it like another couple of minutes and we'll break 47K. Come on, dude. I wanna stop going live after we hit that 47K. I wanna log off, dude. I wanna log off. Thank you. Still, big shout out to Tyler for that $2 super chat, bro. I'm expecting you guys to start giving me like $100, man. I'm just kidding. I'm not really. If you guys want to give me $100, fucking give me $100, bro. But you use that money to make yourself money. Go buy some more fucking crow. Go buy some more Bitcoin, dude. That's what you guys should be doing. You should be buying you should be buying your own crap. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna log off. Everything is doing pretty okay. If you guys want to join the Patreon, go join the Patreon. But yeah, I think with that being said, I think I'm gonna log off. I think I'm gonna log off. I think it's been a hell of a day, dude. Bitcoin doing that crazy pop was I'm definitely not surprised. Definitely not surprised, but I'm definitely happy where we're going right now. Um, and I still think we're in the brink of a bull run. I still think that we're at the bottom. I still think we're at the bottom. I still think that we have a long way to go. My target right now for freaking what is it called? My target right now Christopher, Christopher with the $2 super chat, bro. I was kidding, by the way. You guys don't have to give me anything. I was kidding. But if you guys want to one up each other and someone wants to throw in like $3, fuck, I'm all ear, I'm all eyes, bro. If you guys want to keep upping each other, you know, I'm waiting for someone to throw in like $5 on the super chat. I want this number right here to have like two zeros next to it. That's what I want. You drinking, Tony? I have a ginger ale. I'm drinking a ginger ale right now. Not alcohol. I haven't drank alcohol in a while, but I'm drinking some gingy, bro. Um with that being said, Bus, I love you, bro. Always good to have you around, dude. With that being said, guys, I think I might call it a day. We've been on for about an hour and 21 minutes. We saw that Bitcoin pump. I wanted to get on to really see everything. So, super happy that we got on, super happy that everybody joined. I know that I know that you guys are doing a lot of different stuff on your day. So, gotta appreciate everybody taking time out of your day to come over and watch me and stuff. So ooh, I will see you guys later. Have a great fan. Someone just give me another super chat. Is it not showing up? Christopher, what the hell, dude? Bro, I'm about ready I'm about ready to give myself like what's the max? What is the max here? Bro, I'm about to give myself like $500 right now. I'm about to send myself my own super chat. Fucking dude. You know what? Fuck you guys, dude. What is it? 4.99? Fuck it. Bro, I'm not gonna let you guys win. Fuck that. Fucking send myself a super chat for $5. Oh what? What's happening? Select the payment method. What? I thought I already had. Oh, what? I thought I already had a something attached to it. Oh, I guess I can't give myself. I I mean I would buy my own super chat, but I gotta put like payment stuff in there. I thought I already had something attached to it. But YouTube takes a cut. Yeah, I know. So I'm basically just giving myself fucking nut. I can probably just go take out $500 and hand it to myself, and it's probably cheaper than doing this shit. Because at least that way it's the full profit, dude. Yeah, man, everything's looking really well. But I think with that being said, it's been a blast, guys. Thank you all for joining. I'm over here. Oh, there it is. There's that fucking jump on ape I was looking for. Oh, thank God. That's what I was looking for ape. Is it pushing a little bit? Yeah, it should. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There's that A push that I was looking for. Oh, come on. 14 and a half. That's where I need this thing to run to. 44.4. Where's the portfolio at? 40, 45, 45, 45, 45, 44, 496. Whatever. 44, 496. We'll see what happens. GME. GME is going to 180, 200. That's my target for this week. Flare. Could you do Amazon? Bro, I'm about to leave right now, dude. I'm hungry. Actually, I'm not even hungry. My sister and her husband got a puppy, and they're gonna bring it over today, and I'm super fucking excited because we've never had a dog. We've never had a dog, and I'm super excited for this thing, man. Um, Amazon's going to $3,500. Tell you that right now. Amazon's going to 3,500. I would not even be surprised. Yeah, look at that. You're moving up on the bear trigger on the daily. And then the Nas 100, if you even look at the Nas 100 right now, it's up by a lot. Not a, I don't know by a lot, but is it pushing up? Uh, it's trading sideways. Actually, yeah, let's go back to Amazon. Hmm, where's it at? Where's the 4 hour right now? 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour looks like it's gonna pump. Do we have a lot of resistance around here? What's the structure like? We have a lot of structure. I don't know. I think if Amazon goes above 3336.49, I think you see 3521. Keep an eye on this number though. Keep an eye on 3336.49. If it passes that relative high, you're more than likely going to push the 3321. And keep an eye on the NOS 100. If the NOS 100 keeps pushing up, I think more than likely you're actually going to keep pushing to the upside as well. But it looks like we're going to be closing a violent close on the 4 hour, but I want to see what it usually does here. Continuation, sort of, not even, no, not a violent, but it's continuation. Continuation. Yeah, yeah, I'll call it now. I think Amazon's going to 3521. I think you're going to see a continuation tomorrow, especially because the NOS looks like it is kind of trading sideways, I think, right now. Unless NOS 100 ends up crashing somehow, I think NOS is going to 15152, and I think Amazon is going to $3,500, possibly within the next possibly within the next 2 weeks or so. So yeah, so I would not be surprised to see Amazon somewhere up here within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, yeah, I'm bullish on Amazon right now. Tony is his own sponsor, Flair. Dude, I wanna pay myself. I wanna buy my own fucking. I wanna buy my own fucking chat thingy, whatever. Strong. Strong's at 120. I mean, it's not doing too much right now. Strong's doing really well. 46.7. Just kind of waiting it out, bro. Oh, there it is. Look at that ape push. Ape is going to 14.43. That's where ape is going right now. And it's gonna close a violent close in like the next maybe 8 hours or so. Hold up, wait up. I'm on my phone. Wait up. Wait up. I'm gonna see if I can pay myself on my phone. I'm gonna watch my own live and I'm gonna see if I can send myself cash. Hold up. Hold up. Wait. Yo, can I send stuff? Oh, there I am. Hold up. Yo, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, dude, I'm out here sponsoring myself, bro. What the hell? Oh, and that, and that, my friends, that is how you win every single time by sponsoring yourself. With that being said, go join the Patreon because I just spent $20 on myself. I had to log in through my phone and fucking send it to myself through my phone. Who's gonna beat that? Right? As of right now, I'm winning. Bro, I just sent myself $20. If somebody right now beats that, I will personally go to your house and like eat your ass or something. I'll fucking do it. Just send the Addy, dude. That's what happens. This is basically me. I have to sponsor myself, bro. I gotta sponsor myself. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna end it there. I think we're gonna end it at that high. I will see you guys all later. It was super fun coming on here. Have a great, have a great rest of your weekend. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and I will more than likely see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye.